This video is a quick guide to downloading and installing NanoGong for Moodle 2. First, go to our website nanogong.ust.hk, which looks like this, and then click on the download link. You'll see a form which you need to fill in and then press submit. An email is sent to you. You click on the link in the email and it takes you to this downloads page. In this page you can download the things you need to install NanoGong in Moodle 2. Let's look at those two things. The top one is for installing the NanoGong activity. The second one is for installing the NanoGong TinyMCE plugin. Let's first look at installing the NanoGong activity. Let's click on download and it's downloading to our computer. Let's open the files. This is what we just downloaded. We need to put this NanoGong folder in the right place in the Moodle installation. So we copy it and then we go to the Moodle area and then go inside the mod directory and then we paste the folder we just downloaded. Okay, and then it's copied. And that's all you need to do for the NanoGong activity. Okay, let's look at the second thing, the NanoGong TinyMCE plugin. So let's download those files. This is what they look like. You can see now there's two folders. Okay, let's look at the filter first. Let's go inside the filter and there's a directory called NanoGong. Let's copy that inside filter NanoGong, copy it, go to the Moodle installation, go inside filter and then paste our folder. And that NanoGong folder is copied. Okay, let's go to our second folder, plugin. Let's go inside there. There's a folder called NanoGong. Let's copy that and let's put that in the correct place in the Moodle installation. Inside lib, then go inside editor, then go inside TinyMCE, and then go inside TinyMCE, and then a directory with a number like this, and then inside plugins. Here is where we paste our folder. Okay, now we haven't finished yet. We have to do a bit of editing. So we go to the lib editor TinyMCE folder. In there we find lib.php. We open that in an editor. Here's a simple text editor. We go to the end of that file. You can see the last line of that file is return $params. We don't delete that line. We don't change that line. Above it we insert two new lines of code. Here's the first line of code, okay, which we're typing. Looks like this. You have to type carefully. If you can see a square bracket here, then you have to type a square bracket. If you see a dollar, you have to type a dollar. You must exactly type what is shown here. You don't have to copy it from our video. You can find these two lines of code from our main web page at nanogong.ust.hk. So we're writing the second line and taking care not to make any mistakes. So far so good. We haven't deleted any other code. We've just added these two lines of code. Okay, and so again, just to show it, this is what the end of the file looks like now. We've added these two lines of code, $params plugins dot equals NanoGong, and the second line of code, $params theme advanced buttons 3 dot equals NanoGong. Those two lines of code have been added. Okay, let's save the file. Now let's use a browser and go to the Moodle website. We need to log in as administrator. And as soon as we log in as administrator, we can see Moodle tells us about the two things that we've installed. The top one is the NanoGong activity. The second one is the NanoGong filter. So now we just click upgrade. Moodle tells us it's upgraded the NanoGong activity and then the NanoGong filter. We can just press continue. Okay, now there's just a standard message from Moodle, nothing important. Let's check the filters there. We can go to plugins, filters, manage filters, and then down the bottom of the list you should see NanoGong, as you can here. By default disabled. You could turn it on, as I'm sure you want to use it. Now it gets shown at the top of the list and it is active. So now you can use the NanoGong filter and add some audio into your tiny MCE editor. What about the other component, the NanoGong activity? Well, the best way to check that is to go into a course, turn editing on, and then check that you have the NanoGong activity available to be added in the list of activities shown here. So if we go down, we can see there it is. NanoGong voice activity can be selected and added to a course.